Welcome to FinTech Central, the channel at the intersection of artificial intelligence, finance, and technology. If you're into future-focused insights, smart investing, and cutting through the noise, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the 7 highest-paying AI-powered side hustles in 2025. These are real opportunities that people are using to make money right now. And we'll walk through exactly how you can do it too. Let's get into it. First up, AI-generated faceless YouTube channels. You can now run a YouTube channel without ever showing your face or using your own voice. Here's how you do it. Step 1. Use ChatGPT to write scripts optimized for search. Step 2. Turn those scripts into voiceovers using ElevenLabs. Step 3. Use Pictory or InVideo to combine the voiceover with stock footage, captions, and transitions. Step 4. Upload it all to YouTube with strong titles and thumbnails. You can earn from ads, affiliate links, and selling your own digital products. And if you're wondering where to find good topics, check Reddit Quora or YouTube Autocomplete. This is ideal if you want to build a content business without being on camera. Next on the list, selling AI-generated digital products. This is one of the most scalable side hustles out there, and once it's live, it can make money while you sleep. Here's how you can start. Step 1. Use ChatGPT to generate content, like ebooks, Notion templates, or guided journals. Step 2. Design them in Canva or Visma. Step 3. Add visuals using Midjourney or a diagram. Step 4. Upload your product to Gumroad, Etsy, or Payhip. For example, some creators build entire shops around a theme, like productivity for creators, and sell bundles or themed packs. If you're a content creator, educator, or marketer, this is an amazing way to build passive income. Then we have print on demand with AI art. Merch is back, and now you don't need design skills to launch a brand. Here's what to do. Step 1. Use Midjourney, Leonardo AI, or Ideogram to design t-shirts, posters, or stickers. Step 2. Upload to Redbubble, TeePublic, or Shopify using Printful. Step 3. Promote on Pinterest or TikTok to drive traffic. You can even create meme-inspired designs or jump on trending audio for quick exposure. If you're a visual thinker or trend chaser, this is a fun, creative way to make money online. Fourth on the list, AI-powered freelancing. Freelancing is nothing new, but with AI, your output triples. Here's how to set it up. Step 1. Use ChatGPT for drafting blogs, ads, or sales emails. Step 2. Use Notion AI or Grammarly to polish them. Step 3. Use Midjourney or Canva AI for visual content. Step 4. Offer these faster, better services on Upwork, Contra, or Fiverr. Let your clients know you use AI. It shows you're efficient, not lazy. If you're already freelancing or want to start, this is a way to stand out and earn more. Next up, building AI-powered micro SaaS products. If you like building things, this one's for you. Here's how you can start building your own SaaS product today. Step 1. Start by finding a real-world, niche problem people are complaining about. Scroll Reddit, X, Twitter, or niche forums. Look for things that people say are repetitive, annoying, or time-consuming. Like, writing product descriptions takes forever, or managing job applications is a mess. Step 2. Once you've got the problem, sketch out a simple app idea to solve it. Use no-code tools like Bubble, Glide, or Softer to build your app visually. You don't need to code, just drag and drop input fields, buttons, and layouts to create a usable front end. Step 3. Add AI. Use ChatGPT or Claude to handle any text generation, summarization, or chatbot logic. Use Zapier or Make to connect the user's input to the AI and send the result back. If you want visuals, you can integrate Stability AI for image generation. Step 4. Charge a small monthly fee. $9 to $49 is the sweet spot. You're not building the next Google. You're solving one pain point for one audience and charging $9 to $49 a month to do it. An example? A tool that auto-generates real estate listings from bullet points. If you love building and problem solving, this is a high-margin side hustle with real long-term potential. Then there's voice and video cloning services for clients. This is a fast-growing space, and businesses are ready to pay. Here's the process. Step 1. Clone voices using ElevenLabs. Step 2. Create avatar videos with Synthesia, HeyGen, or Pipio. Step 3. Offer these services to creators, brands, or online educators. You can also provide multilingual dubs for TikTok or YouTube channels looking to go global. If you enjoy audio and video editing, or just want to work behind the scenes in the creator economy, this one's for you. Finally, the last side hustle we'll touch on today are AI automation consultants. This is a side hustle that pays like a full-time job. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Look for pain points. Emails, scheduling, client follow-up. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to create workflows. Step 3. Automate them using Zapier, Make, or Notion AI. Step 4. Set it up for the client and train their team. You can even offer ongoing support retainers for passive monthly income. If you're a problem solver who enjoys simplifying systems, this is one of the most underrated and high-paying paths. These aren't just trending topics. They're real profitable ways to build income in 2025. The tools are powerful, but what really matters is execution. Pick one side hustle, stick with it, and build a system that works. If you found this video helpful, learned something new, or just found it interesting, do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you want more content like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. This is FinTech Central. See you in the next one.